Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix download PC health check app fix coming soon message pop up in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that we need to do is we need to bring up our Google Chrome. So simply double tap it here at the desktop screen if you have the placed it there. But if not, you can use the button search bar and search for it. Okay, just have to wait until you are being redirected to the Google Chrome browser. And once you're here, you need to copy this link at the description box below since I'll be including this there. And just have to click on Control C to copy and Control V to paste it here at the Windows search bar. And then the moment you have pasted it, just have to click on Enter to continue. Okay. So you would be redirected here where it asks you to proceed. Just have to click on go to site, and the moment you click on it, there you would be able to install such. Let me just cancel this since I have already downloaded this Windows PC Health Check setup. But in your case, you have to proceed. Okay. So once you have downloaded it, it will only take less than a minute depending on your network connection. Just have to close this, and you need to open the file explorer. Just have to locate your file explorer and look for downloads, click on it, and the moment you click on it, you'd be able to see this Windows Health Checkup. Okay, just have to copy it here at the just have to do a right click this copy icon and try to paste it here at the desktop. Okay, in my case, it is already being copied here in my desktop screen. Once you have copied it, please do a right click to that application and then you need to click on open. The moment you have the click on it, it will now preparing to install. Just have to wait until it will be installed in your Windows. Okay. Okay, so once it is being installed, just have to wait until a new window will appear in our screen, okay? Okay, so there you have that. You have just successfully opened the PC Health Check. Just have to click on Check Now, and you can now fix your problem, okay? So that's it. Simply close this window and you're good to go. Okay. So if you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care, everyone.